Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. Before I get on with the day, I thought I would insert a clip that I took yesterday evening. I didn't vlog yesterday just because I've been doing work and stuff. Me, Megan and Hattie decided at about 9:30, 10 o'clock to start packing my stuff up for my family to take tomorrow, because my family are coming up tomorrow just for like a nice day up here, and I thought that they could take away like half of my room back home with them, so then it's not so much of a stress when I move out here in a few weeks' time. Hattie really loves packing, and they both decided to come into my room and help me pack all of my stuff. So this is the clip from last night. It's pretty long, so I'm sorry if this goes on for a while. You can skip to this here if you don't want to watch it, but I just thought it was funny that they were just helping me sort out all my stuff. My two friends are helping me get sorted out. They're helping me pack some stuff up for my parents to take on Sunday.
We're choosing what clothes you're going to wear and not going to wear in 2 weeks.
Friends pick my outfits for 2 weeks. That's what the title of it is.
All you'll be living in is like leggings
and cycling shorts.
Literally. You've really snugged these on. Well, there's something hiding under here.
Oh, yeah, a pinafore.
Oh, that's nice.
Urban Outfitters. I used to wear it all the time at sixth form, but I haven't really worn it here because I felt weird wearing it here. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll wear it in the summer.
And you've got a lot of clothes if there's double ones on hangers. Yeah.
Yep, and then open the top.
I can fit more in here. Jesus. I can pack these because this is soft.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is good because these take up room. Like.
Yeah, pass them to me.
You have got so many multicolour jumpers.
I know. Maybe I should sell them. Oh yeah, keep that here.
Yeah, you might wear that for a revision.
You're not going to wear that, are you?
No, I don't think so.
I've got one night out
Oh,
left.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I'll probably wear my new stuff, won't I?
Yeah. It is cute. Okay, but very autumnal.
Yeah.
Out of season.
You need to drink all these energy drinks. There's loads in here.
Right, okay. I forgot we're filming.
No, look, the top
Great
shelves.
news.
Oh, I'm putting all these books in it.
I don't need them.
One more thing.
What about that?
Yeah, I don't
Can
need
you
that.
keep that here?
I've never seen these.
I just remember my dream. It was Christmas and you opened this from Aiden and he'd already got you one and he gave you another one. That was actually my dream. That's so weird.
That's weird.
And you were.
And you haven't even seen that.
And no, I have. I remember you said.
Yeah, but I mean like recently.
No,
Don't I?
and we were sitting there and we knew that he got it for you and he forgot and you were like, aha, thanks.
Oh god.
That's so weird. I just remembered it.
That's jokes.
I don't even think he was in it. We just knew it was from him.
Yeah, that's jokes.
This is like Xmas. Yeah, that's Christmas vibes.
We've got a lot of stuff that could be thrown away in here.
Okay, that's good.
Well, these like shirts.
Lol.
What do you want?
Lol.
Oh my god, keep that for.
Oh god.
Oh god, a whole pair of shoes.
A whole pair of shoes.
Whole pair of shoes.
If you take them out of the box, you can use the box to put stuff in.
Yeah, I might wear them
Yeah.
shoes on the last night out.
And a big blowout.
Yeah, I might as well fuck my feet up on
Big
the last
summer
night.
blowout.
Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout.
Oh god, there's so many little bags.
This is my what the fuck is it in here drawer.
Wait,
Like-
yeah, what the fuck
I
is
know,
it?
tissues, umbrella, random bag.
A hat.
Oh, there's loads of bags in here we can use for
Wait,
skincare.
Charlotte,
Could have another pair of joggers on the way.
I'm just going by based on what I've seen you wear recently. Like more
Yeah, I agree with all these choices.
stuff that I've
It's
never seen you wear on picture.
It's probably because I fucking haven't seen it either.
Yeah. Oh, you know you like this, but that's night out and you're not going to wear that, are you? Oh my god, those socks are taking up so much room.
I was fucking pumpkin. Back in the pumpkin.
I'll put it in here because I want to keep it. It's fucking expensive.
Yeah,
What?
Yeah, yeah.
That was from
What's that?
the benefit event we went to in August.
See you later, honey.
Another-
I know.
Is this your clutch bag you use regularly?
It's a lab thing.
Oh, yeah, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping that 'cause it's like my first one.
I thought
Yeah.
it was like a, you know when you used to wet the bed when you were younger and your mum would
A bed protector.
same material?
Yeah, it is.
We should probably tell people that our pet names for each other is Cookie.
Weeds,
I feel like they're like, what the
stuff.
fuck?
Charlotte, get these out.
Wait,
I know I've got banana milkshake and cranberries.
you fucking brought us on the other day.
Wait, you bought more milkshake the other day?
No,
wait,
you
what are
bought
they,
banana
where are these
milkshake.
coming from?
Bag.
Tiger. How many months ago?
I'm a hoarder.
You are. Put those on show because then you'll remember to wear them. Did Aiden propose? What?
Yeah, he did. Oh, what the hell's there? Is still product in here. It's an Urban Decay concealer.
I could pass you some shit off the top of my
Right, I'm
head.
gonna these.
This is good.
Wait, why is there a fucking tea bag there? Does anyone want these coffee things?
No.
Should I just chuck
Do
them?
you have a...
Peach and rhubarb?
Yeah, I had that and really liked it, thank you.
Just because I'll probably forget
In
to eat
case you get
them.
us all the... This will be good for a giveaway.
What?
A scented candle.
Oh yeah, that would
That's
be.
£10.
Does anyone want this? Because I'm going to chuck it.
Is it
Makeup
blue
Revolution. Yeah.
My grandma lost blue eyeshadow.
Oh,
Can I give it to her?
Yeah.
I'm not kidding, my nan will be over the fucking moon about that.
Oh,
That's
She literally
cute.
uses it until it's gone. She's like, I need a new one.
Oh.
Jean, quick.
Oh.
And yeah, and from that video you've probably realised that I'm a massive hoarder. I just hate saying goodbye to stuff, like if they have like a memory or they were part of a big part of my life at some point. So yeah, I'm a massive hoarder and I keep everything for my scrapbook and stuff, and it's pretty bad, but I ended up chucking out a lot of things. And over here we now have a huge pile of things to take for my mum to take home in the car, and my dad, and then also there's a suitcase full underneath my bed too. I haven't made my bed because I'm a useless child. I thought I would also share with you because I picked up a few things from the post office yesterday. So first of all, I got some prints from the Lalalab. If you didn't know about this company, they have an app which you can download and it's actually called Lalalab. I think I have a code for, I want to say £5 off your first order. Sorry if I've got that completely wrong, or it might be money off delivery, I can't remember. I think it is actually £5 off. This is the code if anyone wants to use it. These are sort of like the nicer prints because they're in like the Polaroid format. And I got loads from some of the recent events I've been to, some of the cute little hoogies that me and my friend have taken. If you didn't know, Hooji's like the app that makes this like really cool like sort of vintagey effect, like an old camera. And yeah, I just got some photos printed out from some of the recent things that I've been doing and just like some really nice photos. And then I also got some stuff from Free Prints. These give you 45 free prints every month and you just pay for delivery. This is another app that I use and print out photos from every month. So I got photos from Megan's night out the other day. What else have I got here? Just in case anyone is interested, I've got some colour run photos, which are really cute. Sophia and Cinzia pics from Kiehl's. What else have we got? Oh, when we went to go see Grease at the cinemas, me and Hats. Photos of me and Carrie, me and Anya, Aiden's mum. We went out for cocktails when they came up, me and Hattie on a night out. Me when my family came up after Easter. Finally, I got to pick out some lovely things. The Old English company gave me a £50 voucher to spend on their website, so I decided to pick up these things. I chose these things out because I thought they were really cute. I decided to get this planner. It is gorgeous. It's like this really pastel light pink colour, but you can't really see it on camera. It kind of just looks white, and it has like gold foiled writing on, and inside it has like things to do, and it's just like a really nice planner. It's called the Old English Company, but the website's oldenglishprints.com. And then I also got two new pins for my collection, so I wrote a post about these the other day and how I wanted them. So I've got the pizza lover badge and the pineapple badge because I have like meanings behind them and stuff. I kind of explained in that post. If you do want to read that, I'll leave it down below. And I also got this weekly agenda, so it's one of those things where you rip off. I just thought it would give like a nice overview of my week in front of me, like on my desk. And this is also really pale pink as well with like charcoal writing, but you can't really tell the colours very well on camera. Love them. And then finally I got stuff from Pretty Little Thing, but they have sent me the wrong item, which is absolutely wonderful. I asked for joggers and they sent me the top part of the tracksuit, so thank you very much, Pretty Little Thing. I absolutely love their clothes. I'm going to come over here because I can't bother turning the camera around. I absolutely love Pretty Little Thing clothes, but always get my order wrong or something goes wrong with my order. This was years ago, but the first item I ever bought from Pretty Little Thing came and it was nothing like what it showed on the website, so I sent that back and I haven't ordered from them until this year. When I ordered my first order of the year, my necklaces came all tangled and they sent my leggings with a massive hole in, so I was like, woohoo, thank you. And now they've sent the wrong item, so thank you, Pretty Little Thing. Thank you very much. I will show you those. I might do a Pretty Little Thing haul, like, are Pretty Little Thing clothes worth it? Because I've seen quite a few people do those videos and I quite like watching them, so I feel like I could do one of my own. And I also have a couple more things coming from Pretty Little Thing, so fingers crossed. And me and Hattie decided to make like a joint order so we didn't have to pay like, pay loads on delivery each. and that's coming potentially today or tomorrow. And yeah, I am just about to get on with some work. I'm currently watching Georgia Marie's ASOS haul, getting influenced really badly because I just want to buy everything that everyone talks about. And yeah, I will chat with you when I'm doing some revision. I'm literally so close to finishing my genetics cue cards, so I'm just going to finish those now. I have my genetics exam on next Thursday, so I'm glad that I've almost finished these, and that means I can literally just sit and memorise my cue cards for this and then my CSI exam that I have on Tuesday. My last 3 cards are going to be on population genetics, behavioural genetics, and genomics and transgenics. So many similar words, I can't be arsed. Oh, also I probably should address the whole top situation. Because me and my friends are cringe, we decided to buy like really oversized Disney tops that we can wear together when we have like film nights and stuff. Because we are cringe. So yeah, apologies for the fucking weird outfit. Haven't spoken ages, just had a 20-minute nap, feeling fresh, and now I'm going to carry on with some more work. My work is actually so draining. I think it's because it's becoming so tedious and boring and repetitive that it's literally like making me lose the will to live. So I keep having to have like naps throughout the day, or just like having breaks and like lying flat out on my bed with my eyes closed. It's fine, we're getting through, I've got all my cue cards done, so I'm going to sit now on my bed. I'm going to film me going through my cue cards, so like I do before, I literally have to speak out and like what I think's on the other side of the card. I'm going to speed it up because I'm sure you don't want to listen to me like speak 40 different cue cards, because this is going to take about an hour. I also was thinking, if you have any like true crime cases, solved or unsolved, that you want me to talk about in detail on my main channel, then let me know. I have done some true crime videos. I will leave some of them down below, like my most popular ones. I'm planning what I want to do after exams are finished in a couple weeks time, and I want to get so many true crime videos done in summer, but I want to know what cases you guys want to hear about or want to know more detail about. And the reason I haven't done loads whilst I'm at uni is because researching into these cases is so time consuming. It literally takes me about 6 to 8 hours to gather information, watch documentaries, read articles, to get all the information like as correct as I possibly can for a video, so it makes it like somewhat accurate. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I've had a couple Madeleine McCanns, which will definitely take a very long time to get together all the information, but if there's anything else, then please let me know. Let's get on with my cue cards. I'm going to do CSI because that's my first exam on Tuesday. Ugh. So I have just had my dinner and I'm just about to reply to loads of your lovely comments from yesterday's video. So if you're not aware, I uploaded a little heart-to-heart video yesterday because I felt like I owed like a thank you to everyone who watches my videos and supports me on like all my social media and just messages me and always says nice things about me. So I'm just replying to the rest of your comments now. I did reply to quite a lot last night, but I've had a few this morning, so I'm going to reply to those comments now. I'm sorry that today has been a bit of a weird vlog and not very exciting because I've been in my room all day, and to be fair, it's not very exciting for me either, and I cannot wait to be going outside with my family tomorrow just to get some fresh air and have a bit of a change of scenery. I've just been sat in my room for days revising and it's so tedious. I will be vlogging tomorrow because my family like being on the camera, and I will actually be doing something fun, and you'll be able to see a bit more of Lincoln if you do want to see like what you can do in town and things like that. I'm not really sure what we've got planned, but I think we'll play it by ear tomorrow. Not really sure what the weather's going to be like. Let me just have a look. Okay, so the weather says it's going to be 17 degrees, but it says that they're scattered showers, which is really annoying. But oh, and the hottest day of the week next week is actually my first exam day. Well, that's shit. But anyway, yeah, I've just pretty much ate my dinner since I was doing my cue cards, and I've sold a few more things on Depop and eBay, so great stuff. And I think the rest of the clothes that I don't sell, I'm gonna whack in one of these bags, because I think in Courts, I'm not really sure if they're doing it in other like uni accommodations around here, people at like Courts and Signet can put like loads of their like old clothes and stuff into these bags because they've got like the big British Heart Foundation bins like around the campus sort of thing. So I think the rest of my clothes that I don't sell, I can just whack in one of those bags and give to people. I'm going to sit and reply to some comments and I'll catch up with you in a bit. It is the evening now. I'm not going to lie, I've had a pretty bad evening and there's not really any reason for it. I'm sure people can relate to this too. I'm not really sure if it's like hormonal or just something that goes on with my head and my mental health, but sometimes I get in these like really low moods. And I'm going to be honest, like I don't want to be like, good night everyone, see you tomorrow. I do want to just share like real life because I feel like it's unfair for me to just try and pretend to be positive all the time because that's not real life. So I just thought I'd sit here and just say that, yeah, I've had a rough evening. That's why I haven't vlogged too much today. I haven't really left my room. I just went for a walk in the rain, which was actually really refreshing and really nice. It was nice to get out of the room and also just like reflect and just sort of let out my emotions. And then Hattie joined me and we did like a second lap of what I did the first time. I've just been really low this evening and I'm just really excited to see my family tomorrow because I know they'll pick my spirits up. Fingers crossed I can get to sleep really easily tonight because that will obviously make the situation better because I've been having like poor night's sleep, eating like shit, revising all the time, and my life just is really just a bit hectic but also bland. But yeah, I'm not complaining because this is what I asked for. Like I want to get my degree at the end of this, I want to push myself, but also I just want to like say that grades aren't everything. Like obviously I want to pass and I will pass, like I'm forcing myself to pass, I'm not going to let myself fail. I just feel like my grades are defining my life right now and I don't want that to happen because they're just literally a number or a letter on a piece of paper. You have so much more to give than just them numbers or letters on a piece of paper. So don't feel disheartened if you get a bad grade. You might do it first, I know I would, but then like I'm just stepping back at the minute and being like, I don't have to be revising 24/7 because this is taking over my life and it's unhealthy, it's not natural, and I need to give myself breaks, or I'll give myself like unreasonable breaks that are like hours long and I can't get back into work. It's just a really overwhelming and repetitive experience that I'm not enjoying right now, and it sort of happens every exam season, so I'm trying to cope with it as best as I can with my own exam stress tips that I posted like last week. But just thought I'd share my current thoughts and that I'd been feeling really low this evening. Sorry if I just look like shit, I just look really bad today, but that's fine because tomorrow I'm going to make an effort with my appearance because my family are coming up to Lincoln. I will be vlogging, it will be very positive. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, even though it was a little bit shit. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a cute family day in Lincoln.